are the Nellos. Welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, we are the Mellow. I am Ren and he is Carmelo. So, welcome to our channel. Happy New Year, Happy New Vlog. And we decided na i-restart na ulit yung vlogs. I think it's been a year now since nawala akong post since nag-move from Singapore to Australia. It's bumpy. Hawak ko lang kasi. So, ayan. Yun nga, it's been a year na. Right now, we are on 491 visa here in Australia. We were gonna share bits and pieces ang life here in Australia, how we move here, and ano yung situation namin when we move here, and ano yung mga ginawa namin. And for today, I'm just gonna share that it's January 1, New Year, Happy New Year. And we just came from Sydney. And right now, we're going back home to Newcastle. Yan, nasa road kami. And the little girl is sleeping back there na nakanganga pa. Sorry. Ayun lang. From today, I think until makapag-upload ulit ako sana mag-share kami ng mga yun nga, in life here in Australia, life ng under 491 regional visa, and kung ano yung mga napuntahan na namin dito. Baka magulat din kayo, sometimes I'm gonna share din yung mga video namin in Adelaide. So, prior to Newcastle, nandun kami sa Adelaide. Then, last November, we moved here. So, may mga times na mag-upload din ako ng mga video nung last year sa Adelaide. Kung mahanap ko pa sila. But I think meron pa. Ayun lang so far. Bye-bye. It's traffic jam na unusual in this road freeway. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.